Hi and welcome to this video, and today's topic is building your sense of self. So first of all, let me be clear with what is the intention with this video and how it is going to help you. So if you're new here, I'm a trained life coach, and I basically help people go from a place where they do not feel comfortable in their body, in being themselves, where they do not like the person that they are, where the connection, the relationship that they have with themselves is that of self dislike or self hatred. I help you go from this space to a point where you accept yourself completely, where you feel comfortable being yourself, where you do not feel dislike or hatred when you look at yourself in your mirror, or when you are reminded of who you are in at the core. I help you go to a point where you understand yourself, where you accept yourself, and where you truly consider that okay, you are worthy of your love. So where you start to feel comfortable and confident in your being. And today we are going to explore or talk about something which is at the core of having an unhealthy relationship with yourself at present. So if I say that, suppose we are this person, and today we know that I don't like the person that I am, or I don't generally feel good in myself. There's a lot of anger I have against my own self. I don't matlab, if you make me count the things that I don't like about my own self, or the flaws that I have, it will be endless. I have a complete list of it. But if you tell me to say anything good about my own self, I will be blank. I will have nothing to say. So if this is how I see myself today, which means if I have an unhealthy relationship with my own self, this is something that you need to know, the sense of self that I have. Okay, so basically today we're going to talk about this thing, that how it is something that is related to all of us, each one of us. That is, I have written others also. So this is something that all of us carry. And then what happens in the case of me having an unhealthy relationship? How is my sense of self impacted in that case? The truth about it. And then finally we're going to talk about the solution part, that okay, what do I need to do? So ये जो topic लिखा है ना, इसकी जगह I could have also given it a topic, building a new sense of self, because that is possible. And in fact, the fact that we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves today, इसका कहीं ना कहीं reasons होता है to have we have a destructive sense of self today. So we're going to talk about this in depth, that if I have a destructive sense of self today, why, what is the reason, and finally how do I develop a new sense of self, what do I do? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to so again, this video also has 3 sections, A, B, C. We are going to start with A, B and C, the solution part. So let's start with the section A. So first of all, see, let's focus on this diagram. So यहाँ पर मैंने draw किया है. So this is us, ठीक है? And यहाँ पे I've drawn a circle which is nothing but sense of self, as well as I've also drawn others. यहाँ पर भी see, all of us has this circle, ठीक है? मतलब sense of self हम सबके पास होता है. But you would notice that if I'm this person, if I do not feel good in myself, if I have an unhealthy relationship with my own self, you would feel and you would notice that I feel very different from other people. When I notice other people, when I observe how people are, I know that I'm not like them. I feel very different, because these people, they seem to be so carefree. They don't care how others are seeing them. They're so carefree. They don't feel so underconfident. They don't feel so scared. They are not so self-conscious. They don't carry so much fear of judgment about others. They don't care about what others think of them. They are able to be themselves. They are so carefree, so confident. They just seem to be living such a good life. You can see them and feel that they feel so confident in themselves. At the same time, you also know that I don't feel that way. I feel so underconfident. I don't like the person that I am. I feel so self-conscious when I'm when I'm out there in front of people. I'm so scared of what people are thinking of me. So all these things are happening with me. So oftentimes, we end up questioning ourselves. We end up judging ourselves that okay, why this is so and what is so. So, and at the core, what is the reason why these people are so different than me? The difference lies here, the core that I have. So here, the sense of self that I have versus the sense of self that these people are going to carry, the type, so the difference will be in the kind of sense of self that I have developed versus these people. So first of all, let's dive deeper into the sense of self. Let's understand this at depth, sense of self. So यहाँ पर see, I've drawn this specifically. So imagine that we have just zoomed into this. So this is sense of self, not ours. General, ये sense of self है. So what is sense of self, what it is, and how it comes to be today, right? And why is it that I have a different kind of sense of self and these people carry different sense of self, which is ultimately resulting them to be confident and comfortable in their body today, and me to be feeling underconfident and inferior in myself. So what's the difference? So for that, we are going to first understand this sense of self deeper. होता क्या है, what is it and why, what's the difference? So see, as this name is very self-explanatory, sense of self, मतलब सेल्फ मतलब खुद को लेकर. सो यू नो व्हाट इज माई व्यू ऑफ माई ओन सेल्फ और यू नो माई आइडिया ऑफ माई सेल्फ. सो व्हाट हाउ एम आई मेकिंग सेंस ऑफ माई ओन सेल्फ. सो मेरे ही नजर में. सो इट्स अबाउट यू नो how I am in my own world, how I look at my own self. So see what does this consist of? My idea of myself. And यहाँ पर what are the questions that we have answered for every one of us, what is inside this box or core of sense of self. This thing contains answer to questions like who am I. So यहाँ पर अगर मैं ऐसे इंसान हूँ where I have an unhealthy relationship with my own self, तो यहाँ पर पता है इसका आंसर क्या होगा? who am I. I'm not good enough. जो भी हूँ आई एम लाइक अ बर्डन. तो मेरे आंसर्स ऐसे होंगे वर्सेज अदर पीपल हु फील कॉन्फिडेंट टुडे, हु हैव अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद देमसेल्व्स. इनका आंसर डिफरेंट होगा. फॉर देम द क्वेश्चन आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन हु एम आई एम गुड इनफ. आई एम अ वर्दी इनफ पर्सन. आई एम अ वेरी वैल्यूएबल पर्सन. आई एम लव्ड. So their answers versus my answer will be different. And what is the sense of self? It contains answer to these questions, or it contains these things. So let's understand it more. So my sense of self is nothing but my idea of myself. It here, and you know when it comes to this sense of self, we all develop it while growing up. So it is not something that any of us is born with. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी destiny थी, that is why I was born with a sense of self. That does not make me feel good in myself today. Versus these people were just blessed. They were born with a good sense of self, with a very healthy sense of self, where they feel that okay, they are loved, or where the kind of sense of self that makes them feel very good in themselves, good and confident in themselves today. ऐसा नहीं है. So this is something that we have all developed growing up. So there are factors that okay, why I ended up with such a sense of self versus other people. So there we are going to talk about it. But one thing you need to know is that this is something that we develop, right? So यहाँ पर जब हम develop करते हैं तो what are the kinds of what are the answers or what are the questions that we are answering here? How do we learn about ourselves? So this is nothing but what I have learned of myself to be as. Who am I? So यहाँ पर what am I answering? Who am I? Am I good enough? So these are the questions that are being answered here in my. So this is what basically my core contains. The idea of okay, who am I? Am I good enough? Am I worthy? Am I valuable enough? Do I have any value? Am I a good person? And my self beliefs that I look good, or I'm a good person. I deserve things. All these things. Or do I deserve love? So these are the questions जिसके answer here we gather, or and how we develop this sense of self. So basically when we are growing up, we have zero sense of self when we are born. So growing up, what essentially happens is, and it is very natural, very, very automatic to all of us, that growing up we are seeking answers to okay, who am I? Tell me about myself. Because we want other people to tell us about myself, because as I said, जब हम पैदा होते हैं तो we have zero sense of self, and all of us are wired such that we will be developing our sense of self growing up. And while developing it, what are we looking for? We are looking for answers to these questions. That somebody tell me, do I deserve love? Am I a good person? Am I worthy? Am I good enough? And यहाँ इनके answers कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? My environment, the feedback I'm getting, the answers that I am absorbing, the answers that I am absorbing from my environment, from people who are dominant, whose presence is dominant in my environment, people I care about, people who I love, like my parents, my guardians. So इन questions के हमें answer कहाँ मिल रहे हैं? कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं? From my environment, from people around me, my peers, my teachers, my early experiences, and all of those things. Okay, so one thing is clear कि जो sense of self है, what is inside this sense of self? Because ऐसे कहना तो बहुत simple लगता है that okay, my core is sense of self, everybody has it. But यहाँ पर we just made it clear that my sense of self is nothing but it contains answers to these questions, which essentially makes up for my worth or my self-concept, my self-image, my self-identity. Because all these things are going to determine how I am going to see myself, right? My self-identity, the way I'm going to see myself, my self-image in my head. And please note one thing that for each one of us, जो sense of self है, it is going to be from my perspective. तो जो मेरा sense of self है, it is going to be in my head. It is not necessary that the way I am seeing myself, other people also look at me the same way. No, it is not necessary. But it is in my head first, and then because it is in my head, and I start to feel that other people also look at me that way, it essentially ends up happening. Because I end up behaving in a certain way. Again, manifestation comes into play. But please notice that for each of us, our sense of self is with respect to us. It is in my head. So my self image is in my head, and it's a positive thing. Because see, अगर हमारा sense of self आज unhealthy है, so the fact that it is in my head, it is nothing but my view of my own self, my idea of myself. It means that there is scope for solution. I can change my sense of self. I can work on this because it is with respect to myself, right? With respect to me. So I don't have to go to somebody else and beg them that please think differently of me. Please respect me more. Please love me more. Please say that I'm perfect. Please say that I'm good enough. So we don't have to go to these other people. I am enough. सो अगर सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ मेरे अंदर है, इफ इट इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू माई सेल्फ, इफ इट इज नथिंग बट माई व्यू ऑफ माई ओन सेल्फ, so I can change it. It's a good thing because it reminds me that okay, I hold the power, I have the power. Okay, so going further, like अभी sense of self क्यों इतना important है कहने को, तो अभी said that it is our core, how it is impacting my life today, why it is so important. So see, the way I think and feel about my own self, the way I see myself, or the way my core is, the kind of my core is healthy or unhealthy, it is going to determine how I think dominantly, how I feel in myself, and the way I behave and take actions in life. See, because the person, see, मेरे जो self beliefs होंगे मेरे core पे, the way, you know, the dominant thoughts, or what is, you know, what is filling up my internals dominantly, constantly, it is going to determine all these three things: the way I think, the way I feel, and the way I behave. And these are correlated. All these things are going to determine what I'm thinking dominantly. Because see, if I am this person, if I am a person who has an unhealthy sense of self, a destructive sense of self, my self beliefs will be against me, right? I'm not capable, I'm not good enough. And if I'm thinking these thoughts, you know, constantly, which will happen if I have, so if my self beliefs are negative, my dominant thoughts about myself will be negative. So ये जो मेरे कुछ भी होगा, मेरे external environment में कुछ भी हो रहा है, I will be very quick to think negatively, you know, about my own self, कि मेरी वजह से नहीं हुआ, my mistake. अगर सिर्फ if I'm failing at something, if I'm making a mistake, I will again make it about myself, and the thoughts that will play out in my mind would be my mistake, I am not good enough, I am not capable enough, that is why it didn't happen. And when I start to think this way, you know, it is going to determine how I'm feeling, which is I'm going to feel further, you know, underconfident, I'm going to feel inferior, small, not good enough. And when I feel this way, it is going to determine how I am behaving and the actions that I take. So if I feel underconfident, if I feel I'm small, I can't do things, I'm not going to take up opportunities, I'm not going to go ahead for things that I want, I'm not going to show up, I'm going to play small. So ultimately what is happening, it is impacting the way I behave and actions I take in my life, which ultimately creates my life, the kind of life that I live. And that is why if I have an unhealthy relationship with my own self, matlab if I carry a destructive sense of self with myself today, it is directly creating my life. Okay, so now let's move to the second section wherein we are going to talk about this part. Okay, let's move to the second section where we are going to go a layer deeper into the same thing. यहाँ पर हमने टॉपिक दिया है योर डिफॉल्ट सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ, बिकॉज सी दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो इसको मैंने बहुत ही ब्रीफ में बताया था फर्स्ट सेक्शन में. इन दिस केस वी आर स्पेसिफिकली गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द केस वेयर वी हैव एन अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद आवरसेल्व्स, बिकॉज वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस वन. बिकॉज इफ यू हैव अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद योरसेल्फ, नो प्रॉब्लम, इट्स गुड इनफ. You know, when I say healthy and unhealthy relationship, there is no perfection. It's never 100%. It's about what is the intensity. And you would know if you have an unhealthy relationship with yourself and it's not helping you, you would know. And that is why you are here, because you know that, you know, it doesn't make me feel good. And when something does not make you feel good, it is going to impact your every second of life. And you would know that, okay, it is a problem and I need solution for it. So I'm going to take about this case, right? Because other case we don't care. So here we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves again. And here जब हमारा unhealthy relationship होता है तो उसका मतलब ये होता है that the sense of self that I carry, it is destructive, it is unhealthy. So to help you understand, okay, how do I end up with this kind of sense of self, I've drawn something. And you know, यहाँ पर the main thing that I want you to focus upon is that I have written the word default. मतलब ये जो sense of self मैंने develop किया है आज, the way I think about my own self today, the self belief that I have about my own self, and the sense of self that I carry today, it is default. मतलब I have no hand in developing it. So which means that it is not my truth necessarily, right? So first let's understand कि by default, how do I end up with a destructive sense of self? What happened? Why is it so? For that, you need to understand कि मैंने draw किया present. So this is us in the present. This is us in the child, right? कि हम जब maybe just infant, when we were just born. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है no sense of self, and today we happen to have a destructive sense of self. Okay. So see यहाँ पे मैंने journey draw की है that from the child us we have grown up to be the adult us. In between what is happening? Growing up. We have grown up. The childhood has happened. Now उसमें क्या हुआ है? In that also, see what I've written in this. मतलब बीच में हुआ क्या? What's the process that has happened that has made me from a person who had no sense of self. So यहाँ पर I had no bias against my own self. In fact, अगर कुछ था भी तो it was all good and positive about my own self. Because see, when you look at a child is never depressed, right? A child is never, you know, feeling heavy or, you know, overthinking when they're born. No, a child is very carefree. In fact, they are a bundle of joy. If you look at a child, even no matter how you were thinking, the only thing that you would end up feeling is that joy, that happiness. You would start smiling without even having an intention of that, right? Why? Because children are born with all the positive stuff. They are born with, feeling positive and healthy and good about themselves, if not negative, right? So here what happens is that from having a no sense of self, I come to have a destructive sense of self. Something happens. See, nothing happens for no reason, या फिर कुछ भी ऐसे खुद ही से नहीं हो जा रहा है. Something is happening. There is always a reason. So what is the factor here? The factor is that I happen to grow in an unsafe home. लिखा है मैंने, यहाँ पे environment होता है, right? Environment and home, same thing. I happen to grow up in an unsafe environment where the kind of person that were around me, I didn't feel safe growing up. मतलब there was constant criticism coming from outside. मतलब यहाँ पर the feedback, the messages that I got about my own self from outside, from other people, that okay, the answer to these questions, that okay, how am I loved, am I good enough, do I deserve love, do you care about me, am I good as a person, do I deserve to be here, do you care about me, do I deserve love, all these questions. इसके answers की जगह मुझे क्या मिला? I got constant criticism. So most of the times the way I felt, or the way I was made to feel from outside, was that I don't matter, I don't deserve love, nobody cares about me, and all these things. All of which, so when if I'm growing up and I'm receiving such messages, feedback, wherein I'm not feeling good, I'm made to feel like I don't matter, that I don't deserve love, what is happening? My sense of self will be impacted. The way I think about myself is being shaped here at this point, in this phase. As a result of which, because I'm receiving constant negative messages, I will not be happy as a child. Growing up, I would be, tensed a lot. Tensed because I would be worried that, okay, why am I not getting love? And all of these things. So I will be consumed in making sense of things. That why am I not loved? Why this is happening? Why people don't care about me? And all these things. Because of which I will not have time and energy to explore myself. Or I will just not have the permission to explore myself. What is self-exploration? It is such an important part of developing a healthy sense of self. So when it comes to developing a healthy sense of self, what it basically means is that it is about a phase where we ultimately start to cut off from our caretakers and start to develop a sense of self, that okay, who am I without them, what is my position in this world, where do I stand? And it contains basic things like, okay, what am I good at, what do I like, what I don't like. So it's about learning about my own self. It's about me exploring who I am, doing self-exploration. That so if a child who happens to learn at this stage that I'm good at play, or I'm good at theater, this is what pleases my heart, or I'm good at cooking. So when a child is learning all these things, it builds their sense of self. It helps them build an identity of their own, which is such an important part of building a healthy sense of self, because it helps a child cut off slowly from their parents and build their own footing in a healthy manner. Cutting off from parents or caretakers does not mean that they are cutting off the relationship. No, it is a healthy thing that happens when you are growing up in a healthy manner. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है? वो नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर you just not left with enough safety or with enough time and energy in yourself to explore yourself. So you're not able to explore yourself. You just don't. You are just not left. You just don't. You end up not like you just don't. Find things, or you're unable to find, okay, what I like, what I dislike, or what I'm good at. So you're unable to find your own place, your thing in this world. That वो जो phase होता है वो रह जाती है, and then it impacts the kind of sense of self I develop, because here I'm still defining myself based on my caretakers, based on their needs, based on what they like, what they want me to do. So here I'm not able to explore myself, but I'm depending on again that relationship that I share with my caretakers. I'm depending on them. So no cutoff has happened in the healthy manner, which needs to have happened. So ultimately it is all these things that are happening in this phase which results me to develop into an adult where I have a kind of sense of self which does not help me, because here I just don't know who I am, and the जितना पता भी है, it is unhealthy, it is destructive, it does not make me feel good about my own self. The kind of sense of self that I will have here, it will be I'm not good enough, I can't do things, there's nothing that I have, I'm like a burden, because no self-exploration. I failed to found my own footing, my position in this world, because I was not feeling safe enough to explore in this world, to explore, okay, who am I, what I like, what I don't like, what am I good at, what are my things in this world. That we fail to do that. So as a result, what I meant to say कि यहाँ पर the kind of sense of self that I ended up with here in this position where I have an unhealthy relationship with my own self, I have no hand in it. मतलब I have not developed it. matlab it is not my truth, because this happened default. So this is what happened by default. Matlab the way I think and feel about myself today, the self that I dislike, that I hate today, it is not truth. It is what has come from outside, because all these things were not in my control, right? जब मैं बच्चा था, the kind of safety I felt, the fact that I could not explore myself, the fact that I received constant criticism or negative messages from outside, I did not have any control. I did not choose it, right? It was coming from other people. It was coming from outside. It was coming from their inner space, from their unprocessed emotions. So, matlab the kind of sense of self or the idea that I have generated about my own self, that I'm not good enough, that I don't deserve love, it happened by default, and it has nothing to do with you. अगर आपकी जगह कोई और भी होता तो that same person would have ended up developing the same kind of sense of self. So it is not personal to you. It is not about you. It is not your truth. So the way you think and feel about yourself here, the sense of self, the identity that you hold today, the way you see yourself, the self that you dislike and hate, it is not your truth, because you have no hand in developing it. So here you are with an unhealthy relationship, with a sense of self that is not helping you, and here is some other person who happened to be in an environment where they received positive feedback from their surrounding environment, as a result of which they ended up into an adult where the sense of self that they carry contains all positive and uplifting beliefs about themselves. So meaning to say that the different factor is not in you. ये कोई अच्छा नहीं था इसलिए नहीं, that मतलब this child was not exceptional, that they ended up with in an environment that was positive, and you were not bad, or you were not good enough that you ended up in such an environment where you received these things. No, it just happened. So those are the things that happened. So this is not your truth, and this is not your destiny, and इसका भी ये destiny नहीं है. This person just happened to have it. So you do not have to live with this forever. Instead, you have a chance here to work on your sense of self, to build a new sense of self for yourself again. Now let's move to the third part, which is the solution part. Okay, what do I do if I'm this person today? How do I do? And I mean, what do I do? How do I solve this thing? That if my sense of self today does not help me, what do I do about it? Okay, solution में first thing that you need to know is that ये हमारा sense of self होता है, क्योंकि ये हमने develop किया है growing up in our childhood phase. It is 100% possible for you to work on your sense of self and to change it, right? हाँ, process immediate नहीं होगा. You will not have immediate results, but the change it will bring in the way you feel when you are even working on changing or building a new sense of self will be there. You will feel the change every day. The moment you start working on building a new sense of self, or just exploring the destructive sense of self that you have today, the moment you start working on it, you will start to feel the difference in the way you feel, because it is something that you can work upon, and that you can build a new sense of self for yourself again. Now let's go deeper into what do I mean when I say working on your sense of self, or developing or building a new sense of self. How does that happen, and what does it mean? The first thing that we do is इसके दो सेक्शन, right? So first I've written exploring my sense of self. इसका मतलब क्या है? See, जब बात आती है ना कि to go from a place where I'm hating myself to self love, or from a place where I have an unhealthy relationship to building a healthy relationship, we cannot go to the goal, or we cannot achieve self love or a healthy relationship with ourselves without exploring what is there present right now. So अगर मैं कहूँ तो I want you to imagine like कि एक बॉक्स है, there is just one space in this wall. वहाँ पर या तो सेल्फ लव रह सकता है, सेल्फ, या फिर तो सेल्फ हेटेड रह सकता है. सो मी टू प्लेस दिस बॉक्स ऑफ सेल्फ लव इन दैट स्पेस, आई हैव टू टेक आउट द सेल्फ हेटेड स्पेस, राइट? मतलब एक चीज को रखने के लिए आई हैव टू टेक आउट व्हाट इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट देयर. सो हियर ऑल्सो फॉर मी टू ब्रिंग इन अ न्यू पॉजिटिव एम्पावरिंग सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ, फर्स्ट आई नीड टू एक्सप्लोर माई करंट सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ, दैट ओके व्हाट एग्जिस्ट राइट नाउ, व्हाट आर द थॉट्स दैट आई हैव अबाउट माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ, व्हाट एम आई बिलीविंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ, व्हाट इज द वे आई सी माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ, व्हाट इज माई करंट सेल्फ इमेज एंड सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी विच इज नॉट हेल्पिंग मी. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंस इज आई एक्सप्लोर माई सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ. उसमें क्या आता है? आई लर्न अबाउट माई सेल्फ, वॉट इज इनसाइड इट, the what and why. If one of my beliefs is that I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve love, why do I believe it? Where did it come from? What made me believe into it as a child first time? So it's about learning to understand yourself, becoming aware of who you are, why you are. If you feel a certain way, if there's a belief that you carry, where did it come from? And then asking yourself or acknowledging the truth, that is it true? Because most of the times what happens is the beliefs that I have by default in my sense of self or self images, those are the beliefs that I developed as a child. And when we are children, we make everything about ourselves. So if somebody was in frustration and they they took it out on us as a child. If maybe it was a parent or a teacher who just bashed, who bashed us, who just like हमें डांट लगा दी सबके सामने, they just embarrassed us in front of a class or in a group setting, and we felt so bad about it. We'll not be able, will not be in a position to understand that maybe the teacher was having an emotional up and down in their personal life, or it was their anger that they expressed on us. We will make it about myself, that it was my fault because I didn't perform good, I got that. So meaning to say, my beliefs today that I carry in this sense of self are actually nothing but statements or things that came from my outside world as a child, which I made about myself. So that when you seek the truth, that okay, what is the truth about this belief, you will start to see that okay, that was not really the truth. It was not about me. So if somebody shouted at me, somebody took out their anger on me, it was more about themselves than me, which just demolishes the negative belief that you made, that you formed about your own self back then. So meaning to say, when we explore my current sense of self, when I explore my current beliefs, it's about demolishing them, it's about processing them. Because when I explore, when I talk about it, when I learn about it, when I become more aware of it, instead of genuinely believing into it, I'm able to understand it from a new perspective, from a new point of view, that okay, this is not exactly the truth. The thing that I've been believing about myself till now, it is not really the truth. And then that helps me process it. And processing matlab, slowly it starts to lose, it starts to lose power over me. It starts to that is where the release is happening. It's finding it's out from my own body, from my own space. Now second thing that needs to happen is building a new sense of self. So pehle yahi hona hai. First this happens, then only I can think, or I can actually build a new sense of self. Because when it comes to building a new sense of self, again the same thing, for me to actually put in or build new beliefs about my own self, I need to explore what are my current beliefs about my own self, so that I can let go of them, I can process them and let go of them, so that I can make space in my body for these new beliefs to come in. So अब अगर ये हो गया है, or if we are working and we are working on this, we have done enough work on this, and we finally feel safe enough or available enough, present enough to do this, they will come to this process where we start to build a new sense of self. How? Very simple things. Exploring myself. Here it is that I allow myself to explore myself, just like as a child, a new child feels safe enough to explore everything, to find out okay, this is what I like, this is what I don't like, okay, this is what I like to eat, this is not my thing, or this is what I love doing, I love playing drums, or this is my thing, this is what I want to do every day, I love water, I love bathing, playing with water. Basic things, exploring myself. Because why it is important? Because to explore myself, I have to connect with my own self. And here, when I have an unhealthy relationship with my own self, my connection with myself is hampered. I'm not connected with my own self. Matlab, basic things like okay, this is what I like, this is what I don't like, or being able to know your values in life, कि तुम मुझे क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है, that this is what is non-negotiable for me, this is what I want, this is what I don't want, this is what I'm good at, this is what I'm not good at. These basic things I have no idea about it, because my connection with myself is hampered. So my ability to feel myself into things, or to find out okay how I feel about certain thing, is either it is not there, or I don't pay attention to it, or I have my connection with my ability to understand my feelings has failed. मतलब my connection with myself is hampered. So यहाँ पर when it's about learning, when it's about exploring about myself, I have to connect with my own self. And third is trying out new things. When both these things happen, when I'm connected with my own self, when I start exploring myself, मतलब when I allow myself to go out into this world with a fresh page, with a space that I'm here to learn about my own self, it involves trying out new things. I will allow myself to try new things, to go for opportunities, to put my hands into things, to just from a very very relaxed space that I want to see where I stand. Again, doing the same thing, building that sense of self that I could not, unfortunately, had the space to develop as a child. Allowing myself to be that child again, or to allow myself to have that space to explore myself, to do things that I want. Why? To learn about my own self. All right. And how do we do these things? Inner work. Now when I say inner work, what do I mean? Inner work का मतलब ये होता है that going deeper into your own self, that and why inner work is important, or why it becomes difficult to do these things without inner work. Because when I say inner work, it is basically that each one of us has a different inner reality. हाँ, जैसे कि प्रॉब्लम एक हो सकती है, like procrastination अगर प्रॉब्लम है 5, like if 2 of us has same problem like procrastination, उसका सोल्यूशन हम दोनों के लिए अलग होगा. बिकॉज द रीजन दैट आई एम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रीजन दैट यू आर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग. सो वो जो वजह है ना, दैट वाई आई एम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग एंड वाई यू आर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग, For each one of us, the solution lies in detecting that exact reason and then working on that, solving that. यहाँ पर भी when I talk about inner work, it is powerful because it is different and unique to each one of us. So अगर यहाँ पे मेरी बात हो या फिर आपकी बात हो, in both the cases the inner work will be different, because what your sense of self will contain, the kind of self belief you will have here and the kind of sense of self belief that somebody else will have, it will be different. तो यहाँ पर जब हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, जब हम लर्न करेंगे, जब हम उसको प्रोसेस करेंगे, तो इट विल बी डिफरेंट फॉर ईच वन ऑफ अस. सिमिलरली जब हम एक्सप्लोर करने की बात आएगी, तो फॉर मी एंड फॉर यू इट विल बी डिफरेंट, द प्रोसेस विल लुक डिफरेंट. Meaning to say, the problem that needs to be solved in each case will be different. And how does inner work help? In inner work, it's very unique to you. So when you do inner work, when you find yourself a space, like a coaching space, like you can work with me, like I do this, I do offer this one-on-one space. So what happens is, basically, when you work with me or with any such person wherein you are in a one-on-one setting, what happens is that you bring out what is inside you out, right? You bring out what is inside you out. We work on it. We see what the real problem is. And once we see that, we are able to solve it, because then you are not using tips and tricks or doing trials कि कोई करते रहते कुछ ना कुछ तो हो जाएगा. No, it's very specific work. So you find out the exact reason that you, in this inner work, you bring out your thoughts and beliefs that are not helping you, and you work right there on those things. And because we are doing very specific work, it's one-on-one. Solution also is that powerful, that impactful. Okay, so this was what I wanted to talk about today, and if you relate to this, if you could see yourself in it, and you want to work on this, you want to develop a healthy relationship with your own self, or you want to have a happier and healthier life for yourself, you want to feel good in yourself, feel free to book your first session with me. My clarity calls are free right now. It's a safe space, and to book your session with me, all you have to do is just DM me session on my WhatsApp contact. I will put my number in the description and the comment box. Go ahead and DM me session on my number, and I'll send you the slots. You can book your free clarity call, and I'll see you there. All right, bye bye.